Okay, so what we're doing in this example is we're multiplying two binomials by, like bicycle, two tires. So there's two terms and two terms. So we're multiplying two binomials. What we learn here, a lot of times in high school they teach you to FOIL, first outside, inside, last. But what I like to do is think of it like this. Take the first term and just distribute it onto everything in the second parentheses. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times negative 2 is negative 4x. Then you take the second term in the first parentheses and distribute it. 6 times x is 6x. 6 times negative 2 is negative 12. Then you add your like terms together, and we get 2x squared. 6x minus 4x is positive 2x, and then we have minus 12. So this is the answer to multiply these. For this one here, the biggest mistake, let me just caution you, this is not equal to 3x squared minus 1 squared. That is not true. That's probably one of the biggest mistakes people make. What you got to remember is this means we take 3x minus 1 and we multiply it 2 times. So this means 3x minus 1 times 3x minus 1. And now we're just back to the same idea here. 3x times 3x is 9x squared. 3x times negative 1 is negative 3x. Take the next term and distribute it. Negative 1 times 3x is negative 3x. Negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. Combine the two like terms, and we get 9x squared. Minus 3 and minus 3 is minus 6x. And then we have our plus 1. So this is the answer. It's the same idea, that's why I don't like FOIL. It's the same idea. Take this term and you just distribute it. You take this and distribute it. It's the same idea here. Take the x and you just distribute it onto everything inside the second parentheses. X times x squared is x cubed. X times 4x is 4x squared. X times negative 5 is negative 5x. Then you take the second term, negative 2, and distribute it. Negative 2 times x squared is negative 2x squared. Negative 2 times 4x is negative 8x. And negative 2 times negative 5 is positive 10. Now we're just back to what we did in an earlier video. We're just adding these together so we combine like terms. There is no other x cubed. So let me just cross that out. I'm not canceling. I'm just x cubed. So that's gone away. All right. Now let me add the x squares together. 4x squared, negative 2x squared adds up to a positive 2x squared. So we took care of the x squares. Minus 5x and a minus 8x is a minus 13x. And the only number we have is the 10. And this is the answer. So this is the product of those two polynomials, or specifically this trinomial. Tri means 3, tricycle, 3 terms, multiplied with a binomial, 2 terms. So we multiplied a binomial onto a trinomial.